Chapter 2: Working of a Computer. Children, do you know what is IPO? IPO stands for Input Processing and Output. The machines work on the input and give us the result or the output. A computer also follows the IPO cycle. Let's learn about the working of a computer in this chapter. A computer does a number of amazing things for us, but it has its own limitations. It cannot work all by itself. We need to give it instructions in the form of numbers, letters, or symbols, which are then processed in the computer system to produce the required output. A computer works through 3 stages: input, processing, and output. Input: the data or other instructions that we enter into the computer are called input. We use a keyboard and mouse to give input to the computer. Processing: working on data is called processing. It is done in the CPU. The CPU works on data to solve problems and give correct results. Output: output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed through the monitor, printer, or speakers. Output on monitor screen. Output on printer in the form of a printout. Output through speakers in the form of sound. Computer devices. The input, processing, and output of a computer are carried out by 3 types of computer devices, namely input devices, processing device, and output devices. Let's learn about these devices one by one. Input devices. We enter data and instructions into a computer through the devices called input devices. Keyboard, mouse, microphone, joystick, scanner, and digital camera are a few examples of input devices. Let's learn about these input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard is one of the most common input device of a computer. It is used to enter information into the computer. It is used for typing letters and numbers along with some special characters. It has many buttons on it called keys. Mouse. Mouse is also an input device. It is used to draw pictures and select objects and text on the computer. It can be moved on a smooth surface to control the movement of the pointer on the monitor. A mouse can have 2 or 3 buttons that perform different functions. Microphone. Microphone is used to record voice, music, and sounds into the computer. Joystick. Joystick is an input device which is very popular among computer game players. It is used to play games on the computer. Scanner. Scanner is a device that is used to convert text or an image to its electronic representation, which can be viewed on the monitor. Digital camera. Digital camera is used to take pictures. It can be connected to the computer with the help of a cable. Processing device. Central Processing Unit, CPU, is known as the processing device of a computer. It is kept inside the CPU box. The CPU controls all the functions of a computer. A computer does all the calculations in the CPU. The CPU is also known as the brain of a computer. CPU has the following 3 parts. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. It does all the calculations. Control Unit, CU. It controls all the functions of the computer and tells other parts of the computer what they should do. Memory Unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Output devices. The devices which display or give out results after receiving input are called output devices. Monitor, speakers, printer, and plotter are a few examples of output devices. Let's learn about these output devices. Monitor. Monitor is the main output device. It is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. It looks like a television screen. It shows you text and pictures. After processing the input, the results are shown on the monitor. The output produced by the monitor is called a soft copy. Printer. Printer is the primary output device. It is used to get the printed copy of our work on paper. The output produced by the printer is called a hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are the output devices which are used to listen to music, sounds, etc. They are often an entertaining and inexpensive addition to our computers.